Okay, Puppy Squad, so today we're doing a video. Yeah, Momo's right here. He's just like in the background because like, yeah, right now. Background. Okay, so let's not focus on Mo. Well, you guys can, but like, I have to focus on the thing that we're doing today. So yeah. I'm gonna be making some slime. So first, you will need some white PVA glue. By the way, this is butter slime. Yeah, butter slime. But I'm gonna hopefully try to make it because I haven't actually done this like a million times before, like you guys. I'm just like gonna like make it like I don't know what the measurements are, anything like that. I'm just gonna see how it goes. Okay. Yeah. Okay, next you will be needing some lotion. I'm using this Dove because like it's so much easier to get out. Because I also do have one in like a little tub, don't I? Yeah, I have one in a little tub, but like, yeah, it's just so much easier to do with this. Otherwise, you'll be scooping it out, then trying to put it on, then your hands would just get really messy. Well, your hands do get messy inside, but yeah. This, you can get it from like nearly anywhere. Next, I'm going to be using some air dry clay, isn't it? Yeah, air dry clay. Yeah, it's great. There's a lot in here actually. Then some Elmer's magical liquid activator. So yeah, those are the 4 things that we're going to be using. Oh yeah, and mats. 5 things that we're going to be using. So yeah, let's just get on with this video. But before we get started, we have a challenge for you watching. We're going to see if you guys can like, click subscribe and turn on all notifications in just 5 seconds. If you guys can do this, you are amazing. So let's just get on with the slime. Slime, that's the word that means you can feel. Okay, so first, what? Huh? Okay, I just got really confused. I don't know why. Okay, so let's just make this slime. So hopefully this isn't. Oh wow! I was like, hopefully this isn't glued on. Then I just see this. But like, crazy. Huh? Oh, Mo's gone. Mo's gone out of his seat. Yeah, he's got to sit because the chicken. Okay, so I'm just gonna pour a decent amount. So let's. Pour. My, that's good for now. Mo, you coming? I guess not. Okay, so yeah, I put the. Oh, it's in a nice circle shape actually as well. Didn't notice that. I put the glue there. Then I'm gonna put some lotion on. Not on. Okay. Squeeze out. It looks like mayo. Oh. I also hate mayo. Don't know why, but like, yeah. Now I'm just gonna mix that. Okay. Smells so good because it's like coconut from the lotion. Okay, now I'm gonna open the activator and put a cup. Why is that back on? I didn't put that back on. Oh yeah, it's from the lid. Oops. Pour a cup and one more. A lid, not a cup. Otherwise that would be way too much. Okay, gonna mix that, and it's already starting to like clump up. Look at that. Probably will need a bit more activator, but like, yeah. Gonna put some more lotion in. Oh, it's going on to the like second map. we'll deal with that later. Okay. This is very messy project. That's what I'm looking for. Pour more in. 1, 2.5. Okay, let's see if that's good. Probably will be, but yeah. Let's just see. Okay, it is gonna clump up. Well, it is clumping up. Okay. I'm gonna mix this and then I'm gonna come back to you in about like 2 minutes. Then when it's like all clumped up, and then we'll put the air dry clay in. So, see you in 2 minutes. Okay, you guys, so it is really clumping up now. So we've got some white slime, amazing. I love the color white. I tried to do that with this eye, but like it didn't really work out, so yeah. Got to tidy this table up actually, because yeah. My mum's just gone out and I'm videoing her phone, and she's gone to like get something off of my granddad, and like I've gone to the shops and stuff, but like I don't know why. Oh my god. OMG. This is like really clumping up, but at the same time it's like really like not. This lotion actually did like lots, because like if I go get my other slime out in the next video that I do, I'll show you how that stretches and how this stretches, because in the other slime that I've made with the exact same recipe but with no lotion, it's like a massive change. I'm telling you, like a massive change. I might need some more activator actually, because it's like sticky still. I don't know why. It should not take that much activator actually, but like we did put quite a lot of lotion in, so that might have like nearly taken over the activator. I got this like 1 day ago. Got this 1 day ago, and there's that much left. And it's my 3rd slime that I've ever made. So like with this recipe, but like well, with this type of recipe, because like yeah. Okay. Have you ever watched Sam and Cat on Netflix? Because if you have, you're like the best, because I actually love it so much. Why am I using this much? That is my last bit of that. There's probably a cat outside and my dog is barking at it, so just ignore him. Mo, come here. Yeah, he won't listen. He will not come here. Mo, come in. I think it's time to put the air dry clay in. What was that? That was a doorbell. Okay, I'll be back. 1 sec. Okay, if there's noise in the background, that's just my nan, because she just came. Okay, so I got the slime, and then I've got the air dry clay, and I'm just taking it out right now. So like, yeah. Push it out. That sounded quite strange, but like, you know what I mean. Okay, I'm gonna push this out and then I'm gonna mix it. Okay, I poured all of it out now, so like, yeah, I'm gonna mix this now. Time to mix.
You're a good cat, aren't you? No.
Man, you're in the back of my video. Don't mind my nan, she's just like,
what did you say to me?
You're doing a video.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
I didn't know you was doing it. It's going away in the fridge now.
they just trying to like get loads of chicken off my nan, like the pets, yeah. So I'm gonna mix this up, and I'm gonna put a bit more lotion, because lotion helps everything. Okay. Don't you wanna dance? Okay, this is looking really good. Right now, I'm gonna mix this, then I'll come back to you. Okay guys, it is looking so much better. Like less sticky and stuff. And more like butter slime. Ooh, got a lot there. So I think we need to like clean that up. Just get a piece of this slime. Then, well, I'll clean that up later. So, yeah. Okay. Now, this slime is like all good. I'm going to like make sure it all clumps up. It's all clumped up. Okay, then I'm gonna put it in a pot and I'm just gonna leave it to set for 1 hour, and then I'll come back to you guys and hope that it's all ready. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that and I'll come back to you in about an hour. So yeah, see you in an hour.